Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach.
And right here you can get a better British accent.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Elision is when we take away sounds to speak faster and more easily. Let's look at the following sentence. Lastly, it was handmade. Let's see which sounds are taken away to make it easier to say. The t in lastly disappears, the t in it disappears, and the d in handmade disappears too. As you can see, elision can happen either in a word itself, like lastly, or when we are saying words together. For example, it was. Elision in informal speech. Let's look at more connected speech now. First, I have a question. What do you think the following are all short forms of? Gonna, wanna, gimme, lemme, dunno. Gonna is going to, wanna is want to, gimme give me, lemme let me, and dunno don't know. How does it work? Let's find out. When speakers connect their words, some sounds disappear. In this case, when there is a double consonant, just like at the end of want, and the next word starts with a t sound, just like in the word to, then both t sounds disappear. So the word to becomes just a schwa. So now we can see that want to becomes wanna. Plus, give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you and stay connected.